The current levels of NCDs are worrying, so says Dr. Susan Suarez-Winter. Speaking on PBCJ's News and Current Affairs show, PBCJ Presents, Dr. Suarez-Winter notes that cardiovascular disease is one of the main factors for high morbidity and mortality rates in the island.
Unfortunately, as Jamaicans, how we've been eating and our lifestyle behaviors have been key risk factors for that situation. So there was a survey, the lifestyle survey done in 2016-2017, which was the most recent one. And those show that, the risk factors that we have in terms of our diet. So maybe 1 in 3 persons were having sugary drinks per day. And as you know, many of our sugary drinks are very high in sugar, and sugar does have an impact on your heart health. Approximately 8% were consuming fast foods daily, and this includes ultra-processed foods, which are classically very high in salts, sugars, and fats, and especially the unhealthy fats. Even our eating behaviors are unusual in that many of us, 1 in 10 of us, uses too much salt, whether in terms of just adding salt at the table, using high salt seasonings, and the ultra-processed foods.
When asked about the numbers since the pandemic has started, Dr. Suarez-Winter had this to say.
At the Heart Foundation, we have seen an alarming number of persons who come in and were not even aware that they were hypertensive. So the fact is that many persons aren't even aware that their blood pressure has gone up, and it's not just undiagnosed, it's not being treated appropriately. A recent study coming out of UTech, the University of Technology, which I think just came out in January here, showed that 80% of Jamaicans have actually reported a gain in weight, in body weight, just since the pandemic. And so even though we have those figures, it's very clear that body weight or heart health, and even just our lifestyle changes that have resulted as a result of the pandemic. So lack of movement, we've had disruptions in our just day-to-day activities and or eating patterns. And we suspect that, there has been a drastic improvement in these figures.